Hey man, I think it might be another Air Jordan 4 Bread Reimagined type of shot drop vibe with these guys right here. We are going to talk about it. I'm going to tell you guys what I think is going to happen, what Nike is going to do. Given the fact that we have so many releases in February, I'm going to kind of put two and two together, put you guys on. You let me know in the comment section how you feel about it, but I definitely think that shot drop is coming very soon, man. We gotta talk about it. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys for pulling up. And again, you guys seen the thumbnail, you seen a little bit of the intro. I gotta give y'all a little feel before we get into the vibes of the video. If you guys are new here, you already know what I'm asking you to do, man. Go and hit that red subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content we drop over here. I'm here for you guys. We've been dropping early bangers. We've been dropping a lot of informational videos talking about, you know, some upcoming releases from Jordan Brand, and it is not slowing down. There's just so much going on. I'm trying to piece everything together, bro. I'm trying to stay up to date because I've been behind on a couple things because it's just so much. It's so much going on, and I'm just trying to put that information out as soon as possible to you guys. So again, sub up, hit the notification bell, go ahead and comment down below what you guys are about to be copping this upcoming February. We're in that last week of January, man. So I need to see what you guys are going to be snagging come next month, bro. So go ahead and run them likes up, comment down below. Let's get into the meat and potatoes about these Black Metallic Reimagined 5s, man. All right, so if you guys remember last year, we were waiting on the Air Jordan 4 Bread Reimagined shot drop for forever. You know, we were talking about it. We kept getting rumors about it. It was no solid concrete date on them guys. You remember what happened? They shot dropped like a week before the sneaker release. And everybody was like, yo, Nike, why aren't y'all shot dropping these? Why not do it? We ain't getting, I don't even think yet, January last year, I think we only got the yellow ochres or something like that. It was a terrible, slow drop month in terms of Jordan releases in January 2024. And everybody was anticipating this Bread 4 Reimagined. They were anticipating the military blues, which they pushed back. It was so much going on, and they waited all the way up until about a week before the sneaker released to do a shot drop on the Bread Reimagined. And you thinking like, yo, why would y'all do it only a week before the drop? I don't have that answer for y'all, but that's just something they have been doing consistently for the Bread 4 Reimagined, for the Air Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined. If you guys remember that one as well, another one of those early bangers in the year in 2023 that they just kept, you know, delaying that shot drop. We know what's gonna happen. It's just a matter of when they're actually gonna do it. And I'm gonna go ahead and pull my phone up real quick just to make sure I got the dates all there right. But again, we got black toes, we have Air Jordan 1 Bread High 85s, we have these Black Metallic Reimagined, and this, again, it is a lot, man, but it did drop those official images over the Black Metallic 5. So you gotta, you know, piece everything together. They dropped the official images. We know what them joints is officially looking like. Of course, if you guys have not watched a full review over them joints, the early look, make sure you guys go click the link in the bio or check the channel. Put some B-roll throughout the video of those joints. Super clean, definitely a cop. I know a lot of people are gonna be doubling up on them joints. But again, they just dropped the official images. They're releasing on February the 8th. You guys should know they about to drop. It's about to go down. And if you think about it, was it February the 20th, or January 25th, sorry, and we got one more week left in January and they release the following week. I'm telling you, bro, this upcoming week, we should see something about the shot drop. I'm saying probably like Tuesday or Wednesday time frame, or I think they used to do it like Tuesday or Wednesday. And again, they did it just for, you know, the Air Jordan 4 Bread Reimagined. They waited till about a week before the drop. And I'm so used to them doing a shot drop like a whole month before. Like, I got spoiled. We got spoiled from Nike, you know, doing that a couple years back. But now they're waiting until about a week before the drop. I'm not too sure why, but it's just something they have done. And it seems like that's something they're going to consistently do, because given the fact that we are on the last week of January and they release February 8th everywhere. And I'm not hearing it's going to be a limited pairs. There's going to be plenty of stock for everybody. It's not going to be a Bread 1 High 85. It's going to be 10,000 pairs in 23 stores. They're going to be readily available. So you guys should see something this upcoming week. We should see something, bro. We should see something this upcoming week, because I'm looking at the calendar. Let me go on sneakers real quick just to make sure I'm not tripping, bro. But we ain't got nothing to come out, bro. Everybody's waiting on these Black Metallics. Everybody's waiting on the black toes. And let me go ahead and check the upcoming releases on Sneakers app. And of course, those DBs did drop today. If you guys cop anything at the Dornberg collection, please let me know in the comment section. And yeah, we don't got nothing. We got the Year of the Snake, Air Jordan 1 lows. We got these clog posits, a couple different colorways. We got the Air Tech Challenge 2s. And we have those Air Jordan 3 Valentine's joints. That's it. That's the only releases on the Sneakers app. And again, on the Sneakers app, you guys should see they have the Black Metallic 5s loaded on the app, bro, for February 8th. So I'm telling you, bro, the release of the shop drop is coming very, very soon. I think everybody should kind of know that, you know what I'm saying? But y'all probably want me to tell y'all the exact time, the exact date, and it's gonna come, bro. It's gonna come. But I do want to put you guys on that. We shall see this shop drop very, very, very soon. Very, very soon, man. If you guys know anything else, I don't see nobody talking about these much, but let me know in the comment section. I feel like the bread ones kind of overshadowing everything, bro. The bread ones, 10,000 pairs. And again, people are still commenting saying like, yo, I think they're gonna be more than 10,000 pairs, and who knows what's gonna happen? Who knows? But the amount of work that they put into it, the CT scans and all that stuff, they've made it limited. I don't know why. 40th anniversary. It is what it is at the end of the day. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. Keep your eyes peeled open. Be ready this upcoming week. If not this man, it gotta be this week, bro. It gotta be this upcoming week. And like, I'm just trying to put it together. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be this week. But again, keep your eyes peeled, hit the notification bell, and follow me on Instagram, because if I'm not available to drop that video a day before, a day after, you know what I'm saying, of the news getting put out, make sure you head over to Instagram, because I can reshare it real quick to the story, man. But I love y'all. Sub up, hit that like button, run them likes up, comment down below, man, with all this being said, bro. Quick video today. Put some B-roll of the Black Metallic 5s at the end of the video. I do have an Instagram reel kind of showing you guys the, you know, up close details in the joints. Just go ahead and tap into my IG in the description box. I love y'all. Let me catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.